Indian cooking means frying. But the big question is, which oil is actually best for daily Indian cooking? Let's understand this, simply and scientifically. The oil you choose affects your heart, digestion, and nutrient absorption. So selecting the right one is not just about taste, it's about long-term health. The first thing to check is the smoke point, the temperature at which oil starts burning. When oil smokes, it forms harmful chemicals. Since Indian cooking often uses high heat, we need oils with a higher smoke point. There are 4 excellent oils suitable for Indian kitchens. Mustard oil is one of the healthiest traditional choices in India. It has a high smoke point, perfect for frying and tadka. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and help reduce inflammation. Groundnut oil has a neutral taste, so it works well for almost all Indian dishes. Its high smoke point makes it great for deep frying, and it supports good heart health. Sesame oil adds a lovely aroma to your food. It's packed with antioxidants that support brain and heart health. Best suited for low to medium heat cooking like tadka or sautéing. Rice bran oil is another great everyday option. It has a high smoke point and contains natural antioxidants, making it a good choice for deep frying. There's a lot of confusion. Cold-pressed oil or refined oil? Which is better? Cold-pressed oils are made without high heat, so they retain more natural nutrients and flavor. But they may not be ideal for very high-temperature cooking. Refined oils can handle high heat, but lose a large portion of natural nutrients during processing. So both have uses, but choose wisely based on the cooking style. There is no one perfect oil. Each oil offers different nutrients, so rotating 2 to 3 types of oils across the week is the smartest way to maintain balance. Avoid hydrogenated fats like dalda and vanaspati. They increase bad cholesterol and harm heart health. Also, do not reheat the same oil repeatedly. It forms toxic compounds that are harmful for your body. So, for Indian cooking, mustard, groundnut, sesame, rice bran are your safest and most nutritious choices. Choose oil based on your cooking style and rotate them for better health. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with family, and subscribe for more science-based food facts.